Hey y'all, it's me, the Cookbook Lady. Welcome back to my kitchen, friends. As y'all can see, today I'm trying out a pound cake recipe. Today's recipe is coming from this cookbook here, an old-fashioned cookbook. I just love that name. The recipe originally caught my eye by its misleading title. However, the ingredient list is what truly made me want to test out this recipe. So, let's get to baking, and don't forget to stick around till the end of the video for my honest review of this recipe. To kick things off, we're creaming together 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar. Then, to our bowl, we are adding in 3 eggs and either 8 ounces of yogurt or 1 cup of sour cream. The recipe suggests either pineapple or mandarin orange flavored yogurt. However, I couldn't find either of those flavors at my local grocery store, so I opted for lemon flavored. We are blending well with our hand mixer until everything is thoroughly combined. Then, to our bowl, we're adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and also 1 teaspoon of grated lemon peel and stirring that in. In a separate bowl, we are mixing our dry ingredients together. Our dry ingredients are as followed: 2 1/4 cup of flour and half a teaspoon each of salt and baking soda. Once mixed, we are gradually going to add our dry mixture to our cream. Mix well until thoroughly combined. Once our batter is ready, we are transferring to a grease bundt pan and baking in a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the top of the cake springs back when touched lightly in the center. While our pound cake is baking, there's a glaze that goes along with this recipe that we need to make. In a small mixing bowl, we are adding 1 cup of powdered sugar and enough lemon juice to make a drizzling consistency. When our cake comes out of the oven, we are going to allow it to cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then we are going to remove from the pan and allow it to cool completely before adding the glaze to our cake. Alright my friends, it has come to the point in the video where we do a little taste test to see how this recipe actually turned out. But before we get to any tasting, we have got to show off the product just a little bit. So, we've got a nice kind of outer crust and this inner part. Seems like it's very dense, but very airy at the same time. So, let's give it a nice little taste here. First bite is for y'all. My dog is trying to bargain with me again. Okay. It's not bad. It's a little dry. Hold on, this needs some milk. Alright, I have myself a glass of milk. I think that might help this a little bit. It is a little dry. Oh yeah, the milk definitely helps. Okay, I think I kind of got a feel for this. Alright, so let's talk about this pound cake. The things that I like about it are the overall taste of it. The lemon flavor is very prominent. I think adding that lemon zest to the glaze towards the end was a big game changer for sure. Let's see. It's kind of like a hybrid between like an angel food cake and a pound cake. Like, it's dense, but it's also airy, like an angel food cake, if that makes any sense. It's not very moist. It's actually a little bit dry, like y'all saw. Kind of need a little bit of milk to wash it down. It is very sweet though, so there's that. I don't know. If I would give this recipe a rating, it would probably be, I don't know, maybe like 3.5 stars. It's decent. I like the idea of using like a flavored yogurt to kind of help boost the flavor. It's a little too dry for my liking. I would have liked it to have been a little bit more moist. The flavor is phenomenal though. Flavor is phenomenal. Yeah, no, it's a meh for me. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you happen to have enjoyed today's culinary adventure, how about showing this video a little bit of love by hitting that thumbs up button? And if you happen to like the vibe here on my channel, consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the family. Speaking of join the family, I have noticed that my channel has grown quite a bit. There's quite a bit of y'all. So let me take this time to say welcome and thank y'all so much. I know I said that I have a video coming out to show my appreciation towards hitting my 100 subscriber milestone, and that will be coming out fairly soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But anyways, y'all, be safe out there and be sweet to one another. Bye, y'all! Yeah? Are you telling everybody hello? Are you saying hi to the fans? Okay, alright. Okay. My dog says hello.